What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be painting the wheels on my truck. And kind of don't like the color anymore on them, and on the rear ones I was trying to put the rings on them, put all that gasket maker to hold it in there, but I don't want to take it off, so I'm just gonna sand it all off and spray paint it black. As you can see, I already took the front wheels off. And what you want to do before you paint them is you gotta sand. I'm sanding mine with 400 grit sandpaper. You basically just want to, I already sanded mine yesterday, so I don't have to do it, but basically just sand it all the way around. You basically just want to sand it down till it looks like dull as fuck, and then after you do that, you want to clean it with some type of degreaser, which in this case I'm going to be using paint thinner. And the paint I'm going to be using is the same one I used for the ones on my car, which is, alright guys, so after you sand them down, what you want to do is clean it up with some type of degreaser like I told you previously, which in this video I'm going to be using paint thinner. Now you just want to let it dry, and then after it dries, do it again. So what I ended up doing so the tire wouldn't get painted was I cut out a piece of cardboard, and then I put it around the wheel, and then I sprayed tire shine. That way the paint won't get on the tire, because as you can see, my tires have white lettering and I don't want them to get painted. I want them to stay white, so I'm just letting them dry, and then I'm going to spray the first coat. Looking pretty good. That's one. I think they look way better than silver in my opinion. These are the wheels that I'm planning on to put on the truck. And I know that this channel is mostly about my cars and stuff, and I really don't post anything about my truck. I think I'm going to start recording more about it, but it's just a 97 OBS. It has a 3.7 drop. I think I want to go 9 in the rear if I put those wheels on. It has a candy root beer, and I'm planning on tinting the front windshield also, like my car. I'm just waiting for the tint to come in. I have a Pioneer double din, regular seats, center console in the back. And I'm also thinking about later on putting double sunroofs in here, but that's about it about the truck. But if you want to see more videos about it, just let me know, comment down below what you want to see, and I'll start making more videos about the truck. So I've done about 4 coats in total, and they're looking pretty good. Now I'm waiting for them to fully dry, that way I can clear coat them. While they're drying, I'm taking off all the gasket maker that the rear wheels had, and I'm taking them off with a spatula and that sander right there. And as you can see, I have to sand all this down, that way you won't be able to see the lines of the paint whenever you paint them. So it's been about an hour that I've let them dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat of clear coat on. Alright you guys, so I already put them on. They're finally dry. And they turn out pretty good. Don't mind the truck, it's really dirty. I need to wash it, but there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next.